Hi, I'm Danielle Withers-Brown, the Lettings Director at Inspired Sales and Lettings, where we're with you every step of the way on your property investment journey to avoid any nasty bumps that may occur during the journey. Today, I want to talk to you about, can a tenant terminate the lease early? Now, if they're in a rolling contract, obviously the standard procedure is that they can give 1 month's notice. If they are in a fixed term tenancy agreement, they have to give you satisfactory notice towards the end of the lease. But if they're halfway through the fixed term and they want to come out for whatever reason, you should have a clause in the agreement. We have an early termination clause where the tenants would be liable for the rent until a new tenant is found, and they have to pay some of your setup costs. Now, obviously, due to the tenant fee ban that came into force in 2019, these are capped at a certain level, but you can still charge them, so obviously you can try and recoup your costs. We try and make sure that the tenants give us at least 1 month's notice in order to find a new tenant for them. So then that way it would avoid a long void period for yourself or further costs to the tenants. It all depends on why they want to leave early. You want to try and work with your tenants, and then obviously that way when they are leaving early, they'll allow access for viewings to take place to try and find a new tenant as soon as possible. These can all change, like I said, it all depends on the clauses that you've got in your tenancy agreement. If you'd like me to review yours, please give me a call. It's Danielle at Inspired Sales and Lettings on 01908 373 580. Many thanks.